nothing but activities, fragments and intents. This is a unit 2. In this unit 2 we are already covered the first topic, understanding of activities. So understanding of activities, we have to know about what is an activity and how we have to create an activity and what are the different life cycle stages presented in your activity. So this is our understanding of activity having a subtopics are 5. So life cycle of an activity is already covered. So let us go with this topic, applying a styles and themes of an activity. So in this applying a styles and themes, we have to apply the different things to our activity space. How it is to be possible. We have to learn this one. So applying a styles and themes. So applying a themes to an activity. So when you are seeing that one, Android is having a, we have to create anything by using a application. So for that one we have to use the Android Studio for the programming. So when you are creating any application, it is creating the different files for the different storing of information. So first thing is we have to know about the manifest file. So the Android manifest file will provide a structure of activities. So what is this manifest file is consisting of? First thing is application. That means we are opening of this application. It will contain different things. So this is the opening tag of your application. This is the closing tag of your application. In between this one, the application will contain more than one activities. The application will contain more than one activities. So that activities are to be represented in this place. So in this we have to go with the Android theme, the Android column theme. So what is this meaning is nothing but we have to apply the image for the, or we have to apply a theme for our activity. So in which way we have to apply Android column style slash theme dot dialog. So this is the image name. This is the theme name what we want to apply, and this is nothing but in which position or in which file or from which file we have to access that image. So the file address is to be mentioned in these places, and this one is a theme name. We have to mention theme name here. Applying a theme. Why we are applying a theme? So when you are seeing that your activity is to be like that, your activity is to be like this, but in this entire space, in this entire activity, I want to apply a theme as a floating point. That means I want to apply a theme for a particular point. I want to apply a theme for a particular point. So remaining space is not been applied by that theme. Only the few amount of. So at this situation we are using a dialog themes. We are using a dialog on the dialog box when you are seeing. So what is a dialog box? If you are giving any warning message, do you want to close this application? So at that situation, you are not requiring your entire activity space. You are only displaying some of the prompt to display the dialog. So in the same way, I want to apply a theme as in the form of a dialog. So that's why I want to apply theme.dialog within this application. So within this manifest file, I want to apply a theme. So each and every property will be start with a Android is a keyword, Android colon. So I want to apply a theme. That's why the property name is method name is theme equal to. So the value will be specified within these double quotes. The value will be specified within the double quotes. So what is the value we have to specify? First of all, we have to specify the address. So from which place we have to access the image. And next one is slash theme dot dialog. This is the image. In this way we have to apply the theme for the image. So let us see again. So applying a theme. So applying a theme is nothing but we have to apply a theme for your entire activities, or we have to apply a theme only for a particular point of a user interface. At this situation we are using a applying a theme concept. So the applying a theme is to be, first of all we have to within that one we are having a, so each and every property is to be started with the Android button is the keyword, and I want to apply a theme. So the theme property is to be here. So the value assigned to this property is, first thing is any value will be provided. So that value will be mentioned within the double quotes. Android colon style. That means from the style folder we have to access the image. So what is the image name? Theme.dialog. So theme.dialog means it will display only some of the prompt. It will not display the entire theme of your activity. In this way we have to apply the themes of an activity. And the next one is hiding the activity title. So how we have to hide the activity title? So when you are opening any activity, the activity is having a title as, so activity. Each and every activity is having a some of the title. So the title of this is activity 0.01. So I want to hide this one. I want to hide the activity title. How this one is to be possible? I want to hide this title is to be possible by using this Java class, by using this Java program. So the Java programming, the main thing is we are having a different import classes. Different import classes are to be presented. After the importing of all these classes, we are having a public class main activity which extends the activity. So main activity is nothing but your file name. So each and every activity must and should extends the activity class which is already provided. So it is having a, as we are already discussed, the each and every activity is consisting of a 7 different life cycle methods. From that 7 different methods, I want to launch the application. So that means you have to first create the application. It will start the on create method. So remaining 6 methods are to be presented, but to launch the application, it will be first using the on create method. So within this on create method, we have to write the corresponding code of the program. So what it says, this one is to be used whenever to hide the title. So the method we are using is request window future. I want to request the window future as window.future underscore no title. So whenever you are giving a request window future is one of the method to set the window title. Request window future. So in that we are passing in one of the value as window.future underscore no title. So whenever you are passing this value to this request window future, it will hide the title presented in your activity. It will hiding of your activity title. So request window future is one of the method to set the or to hide the title of your. So this is the example when you are seeing that one. So this is our activity. This is our activity. So in this activity is contains a title as. In this the activity is contains a title as activity, and the message it will be displayed as hello world main activity. So this is a activity. If you are observing the anything, the activity space will be entire like this. The activity space will be your user interface. But I want to apply a only some particular position theme. I want to apply the some particular position. So this particular position I want to apply a theme. So that's why it will display only some particular image. Why? Because we are applying a theme.dialog. That means the entire activity is only to be reduced. In that entire activity space, I want to apply a theme only for the dialog space. In this dialog space, I want to apply the theme. That's why the theme is only allocated to the some particular position. And when you are observing, this one is the title of your activity. Activities, and this is the message. So when you are observing the second one, I want to remove the title space. I want to remove the title. I want to
As you are already seen, the previous topic is hiding a title and how to apply a different styles to an activity. So each and every application is consisting of more than one activities. So for those activities, how to hide a title, that is the assignment 1 question. Create an application to hide the title of an activity. And the next question is develop an application to add styles and themes. So what are the different styles? So when we want to use any font, so different font styles are to be presented in your application. So we have to add a different styles to an application and how to apply a theme to an activity. These are the assignment questions. All of you make sure that follow that one. Thank you all.